Hello, we are on the 3rd of June. Please forgive my accent, I'm French and I'm not very good with my English accent. Anyway, this is a place that we call the Red Carpet, where is happening every night during the festival La Montée des Marches, which is a moment where all the crew and the invited people come to see the movie. It's here. So the screening is inside this big place in a room called the Grand Auditorium, and the beach where the party is supposed to be held was just there, like 150 meters from the entry, the red carpet. So everybody's coming from here, actually. So you can see people waiting to get the vaccine. But when the movie is over, everybody is going out from here, except the crew of the film, who is going out by there a bit further after the red small car from a place called Entrée des Artistes, which means the place where artists comes in and out. And the beach where the party was held is just there. Is the beach where the candle was, just here. So it's very close, you know, there was nothing to go far from here. And a bit further is the Carlton Hotel where the Twin Peaks sign was. And you can see the Twin Peaks sign from here. On picture it's more difficult because, you know, sometimes the pictures doesn't, you can feel like places are further, but they are not, they're very close. So it's just from here, Carlton Hotel. With the candles right now, it's a public beach. This is the majestic beach, and this here is the Carlton Hotel, but you can go by walk and you can see the Twin Peaks sign if you're around here. So this was the place where the candle party was, just here.